everyone, good morning again. This is Val and welcome to my kitchen. Today is day 4 of our Green Smoothie Cleanse. And so today we are making berry smoothie.
Berry Peachy.
It's a berry peach smoothie. So let's get started. Oh, update. So far I lost a little over 2 pounds. Surprise! 3 pounds. So we are still motivated. And don't forget to leave us a comment. Let us know if you are doing this challenge along with us. Please do. Make it more exciting. Alrighty? So let's get to the smoothie. Let's go.
So we'll start with 2 handfuls of kale.
1, 2 kale?
Yeah.
2 hands of kale. And 1 handful of spinach. Okay. To that, we're going to add 2 cups of water and blend. What's next?
So next is the 2 apples.
2 apples.
And the 1.5 cups of frozen peaches.
Peaches. And I'm gonna blend this, and we're blending them as we put them in because it's a lot of ingredients.
Now the 1.5 cups of frozen
mixed berries. Okay, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed that I already put in the grinder, and a scoop of protein powder. Alrighty.
The ingredients call for 2 packets of stevia, but we're not adding that today.
We're not adding the stevia today because there's so many fruits and they're already rich in sugar. So we're gonna forego the stevia. I don't like it in it. That's it. And we're ready to have our smoothie. It's rich. It's thick. This is about
It's about 20 apples.
about 16 ounces of smoothie. Now for the taste. Another good one. Yeah, it's really good. It's a bit thicker than the ones before, but it's really good. Okay, so we'll have 2 today. We'll have 2 smoothies today, and then we'll have some vegetables for dinner. So once again, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. It would mean the world to us. Share with your friends and give us that thumbs up, and let us know, comment, let us know if you are trying any of these smoothies and how you find it. So until the next one, I think it's going to be a beautiful day for us, and I hope it is the same for you. Next video, bye.